Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing from one of the micro brands I met at the Micro Praha Festival in last November. And yeah, I was walking around and I saw this gentleman that was so excited to show me his watches. And I took a couple of short videos that I uploaded on YouTube. So be sure to check them out. One of them was for this watch, explaining how the watch works, which is pretty impressive, I have to say. One of the most complicated quartz watch I've ever seen before. Gavox is a brand that comes out of Belgium. Michael Happé, hopefully I pronounced it correctly, opened this brand in 2011. He's the owner and the creator of these watches. And he has like four different categories. One is called higher, basically pilot watches, so flight. The second one is called Father on the Land, so these are watches for traveling on the land. Another one is called Father at the Sea, so marine inspired dress watches. And one are called Deeper, so watches that are made to dive. He also does some watch customization for military forces, police, pilots, and even corporate. So he sent me this watch to test it out, and I'll send it back after testing it out and making my review video. First off, pretty cool box. You have like a wooden box, very nice finish with this leather part. Gavox Industries, Belgian design, aviator wristwatches, waterproof. Send me also a couple of straps with it to try it out, like a NATO, leather NATO, and even a blue one. And this comes with the instruction manual, and I'll show you just the instruction manual. I won't go through all the functions because I really need to wear the watch a couple of weeks and read this instruction manual. But as you can see, it does have a lot of functionality, and we'll go through this together, and I will go through it extensively in the review video. I even have the video that he explains all the functions of the watch. So Michael Happé, engineer. You can check his website out, and gavox.com. Let me put this wooden box. Here we have the Gavox Aurora 446.0. Is that a sticker on it? I think so. I feel like there is a... Okay, I'll leave the sticker on for now. And let me just clean that a little bit. So the Aurora is a pilot watch where you have the world's first multifunction quartz watch. The strap is pretty nice, stiff leather, but I have a lot of straps, 22 millimeters, so no problem. So this is a quartz watch with multiple functionalities. As you can see from the start, you can see the modes that we have. You have timer mode, chronograph, date, you have the moon phase, you have the UTC, you have the home, you have the secondary time function, and you can see here even the outer inner bezel. You can see the days, the month. Pretty cool, I have to say. So this watch can track 2 time zones 15 minutes from each other, so it can have any country, any time zone, any environment. It is, let me get my caliper, my notes from the side. So it is a 43 millimeters in diameter, lug to lug just about 50, thickness 12 millimeters, and a lug width of 22 millimeters. You have a very typical, let's say, clean dial. even though there's a lot of functionalities. You have a couple of modes. I think if you change the first mode, I should have done this before I started the video, but I wanted to get the first impression directly. So you have a very nice lume as well. Let me show you the lume. Pretty strong lume. I think it's DGW9, two-color lume on the dial. You have the UTC time as a reference. You have a local time, like I said, increments of 15 minutes. You have a countdown for 31 hours with a visual alarm. You have also mission chronograph up to 31 hours with split seconds and flyback functions. You have also a perpetual calendar with simultaneous indication of day, date, month, and leap year. You have a moon phase, and you have a sapphire crystal with an inner AR coating. You have 100 meters water resistance. The watch weighs around 200 grams in total. You have also multiple strap options where you can see it on the website, and the watch shop ships from Belgium. So if you're buying it from the EU, it's much easier. The watch costs 1,500 euros. And here's the case back. This is number 113. And this is how it looks on my 17 centimeter wrist. Very cool watch. Let me pause here for a second and just try to get it to function and set up the time so I can show you how it looks like. So I forgot about something. Forgot that you have to press the crown to set up the mode. That's something I will cover also in the whole functionality I will cover in the review video, but I just wanted to show you how cool is this. So basically you have the home time, 12 o'clock. You can press for the secondary time. As you can see, the seconds are ticking. You can see also the outer ring, January, January, January. So basically the leap years is the white one here. So you can see it goes back, so 30 seconds kind of both ways. And then you can press again the crown, goes to UTC. You can press it again, so it goes to the timer function, so you can time it out. And then you can press on the chronograph, or you can start the chronograph. As you can see, it starts to tick to basically can time anything up to 31 hours. Then you can press on the date. It shows you November. And then it's just pretty small here. It's Sunday. And then you can press again to get the moon phase. As you can see here, these are the moon phases. So basically we are in 10th day in the lunar, so we have a half moon. And then you can press it back to go to the home where you have the time. So it's a pretty cool functional watch. I will definitely enjoy testing this watch out. Be sure to check out their website. And also, if you do like these kind of watches, leave a like, also subscribe. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe, hit the bell button, the subscription button will be here, and you will see here 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.